Having a good piano technique definitely starts from mastering hand independence. In this video, I'm going to teach you 3 exercises that you can use to work on your technique. My name is Marine and welcome to Online Rock Lessons. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to this channel to never miss a new video. So for the first exercise, we're going to use staccato and legato notes. Let me show you how it sounds. Alright, so this exercise is going to be based on the C minor chord, that is C, E flat, and G. So basically we're going to use those notes and we're going to add notes in between. For the right hand is going to be playing staccato for the first part. So it's basically 8 notes, C, D, E flat, F, and G, going up and down. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And you can hear the staccato here. So a staccato is a note that we play very short, just like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And here we have the quarter note. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. There we go. Alright, now so for the left hand, we're going to be playing quarter note first, and then we're going to be playing staccato 8 notes. So we start on C, just below the middle C right here, and we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And here we have the staccato. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. There we go. And now for the both hands part. So start very slowly, obviously, because we need to be playing staccato in the right hand and legato in the left hand. So it goes like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and here we switch. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3. And we end on a whole note right here. Alright, now for the second exercise, we're still going to use staccato and legato, and it sounds like this. Alright, so now we're in C major, and the right hand is going to start with quarter note, and the left hand is going to start with staccato, but power chord here, so C and G. So let's do the right hand first. So we have C, D, E, F, G, and we go back. These are simple quarter note. And here, these two are going to be staccato. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we end here. Right hand one more time. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. All right, left hand now. So the left hand is going to start with the staccato here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and going to quarter notes. There we go. Let's do it both hands, not too fast. So we have staccato on the left and quarter note legato on the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And now for the last exercise, we're going to use rhythm to work on the hand independence. So for the first variation, the right hand is going to be playing quarter note and the left hand is going to be playing a rhythm. And for the second variation, we're only going to switch between those two hands. So it sounds like this for the first variation. Alright, so let's start with the right hand. So we play quarter note. So it's C and G because we have a C major chord here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we jump on F. So we're just gonna move hand to F and C here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we end here. So the whole thing again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for the left hand, this is where it gets interesting. So the left hand is going to be playing the first beat. We have a rest and then 8th note, and the third beat here, another rest. And the first beat is going to be a rest. We have the up here, and then a rest, up and down on the third beat. So it would sound like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. And we do the same thing starting here. So 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. The whole thing. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's put both hands together. So we're gonna start all together, and then we have the right hand. So 1, 2, and 3. So these two are gonna be together. So the first two are together, and these two are together. So 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. And we go to F. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. And we end here. All right, now we have second variation. So this one, we're going to take the quarter note and the rhythm, and we're just going to switch. So the left hand is going to be playing quarter note here, and the right hand is going to be playing the same rhythm the left hand had. So it sounds like this. So we go back to here, and then we have 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. And we go to F here. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. As simple as that. Let's do it again. there you go, practice those exercises, it's gonna help you a lot. And you can play them as many times as you want. Like, take your time, go slowly. It's not a faster exercise, it's just to make sure that you can play both hands, something different in each. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to push your technique to the next level, download my 5 free technical exercise with the link in the description below. So have fun and have a good practice.